Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sis vs. Bro. Today we will do the squishy challenge.
Challenge. We're gonna do what? You can comment down below. Who has the better squishies in each challenge? No boy does that. You're acting like a really sexy girl.
Okay, guys.
So let's pick out our squishies when it's
Guys,
time.
guess what?
Thank you.
We got some squishies
A whole
right
bunch
here.
of squishies.
We have some squishies. Some. Stop it.
Okay. What the?
Some squishies right here in my bucket of magical things. What happened to you? Okay, let's get started.
Let's go. We have to pick out a squishy.
Okay.
Be right there.
Hey. Let's put it right here. You go over there.
Okay.
You go. I'm gonna pick out.
That's mine.
This.
That's mine. You can only pick out yours.
I'm gonna pick out
So
this cupcake. Beautiful
I
cupcake.
picked out this pie.
Round one.
Who do you think is better?
Who? Okay, now let's see. We have to squish it to see who's more surprising. Squish it. This, like this. All the way. Squish so hard. Now let go. I guess I won that round.
Comment down below who won that challenge.
I won. Alright guys. Now we don't put it back in. We gotta throw it.
Okay, I choose this one.
I'm gonna pick my freaking.
Now look at that tiny unicorn on the
Look at this, guys.
I got.
Ready? Let's squish. 3, 2, 1. I won.
No.
Throw
Comment down below.
it.
You have to comment down below.
Round. Stop it. Round 2 piece. Okay.
I got it. $15 later.
I won.
3,
2.
2, 1.
So I picked my lemon one, as you guys can see. It has a really nice outline, and you can even feel the designs all over here. It smells in here, but it doesn't smell here. It's a little bit.
Now, I got this cat squishy. And it's really cool because the cat is feels like paper or something like that. And I put in there, it's like a little orange, it's in like a cup. And it's really soft.
It's really nice. Okay, guys, let's squish. Ready? 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Oh wait, go. You didn't squish at the right time.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Let go.
Oh,
Run. Comment down below who won that round.
challenge.
Eliza, coming at you. All right.
Bam.
Okay.
I got one.
That's mine.
Doesn't matter.
No, you said.
Joking.
I'm gonna pick. 3, 2, 1. This is a bunny squishy. My best friend Faking gave me this squishy, and it's really nice squishy.
I got
Guys,
this
I remember
strawberry.
squishing this. It's so slow rising. Ready? Let's squish this thing like it just don't care.
This is my strawberry.
Ready?
Yep.
Squeeze it as hard as you can.
3, 2,
1. Let
1.
go. Let go.
3, 2, 1.
Let go.
He's gonna win. Squished it.
No, I didn't. Hands off. It's still going. I won!
Stop. We have to see.
Okay, guys. That was a tie. Goodbye. Next squishy. That's funny.
Doesn't matter. I don't have that any more squishies. Okay. Got one.
Hey, no. Look at you have this one. And this one.
It's so small.
And this one.
Okay, what?
No.
But they don't rise.
It doesn't matter.
So?
Okay. It doesn't matter. So we're just gonna explain this. If you can just squish it. It doesn't matter. Okay, guys. So this is mine. A little tiny panda one. It's a keychain one, but my friend broke
Comment
it.
down below which one's your favorite and
Oh,
see
do
which
the-
one.
Show the
won.
top. Okay, guys. There's like really cool texture. Man's is really cool because it has like a stitch. Okay, let's squish hers. Cool. Alrighty. Guys,
This one doesn't.
put it down. Okay, next one.
I only have small ones.
It's this one. Okay, guys, ready?
No.
I got my penguin one.
Which I got my.
It has a really nice texture in the wing. Okay, 3, 2,
2, 1.
squish. This one's really slow rising. Just get this online. It's the best seller. It's the best. Wait, which one is that?
I got this polar bear, which none of these really slow rise. but
Okay, guys,
That
I
is
got
awesome.
my soccer ball. It is from Justice. And let's squish it. 3, 2, 1. Guys, that is still rising.
This one.
Okay, it's done. Ready? 3. Okay, next round.
I got one. This one's the seal. A little cute seal.
And this is a donut. Let's squish these. Alrighty.
Cool.
Now, round 5.
I got one.
Whose squishy is the best? This is a basketball squishy, guys. Round 6. Coming at you. You know what I'm saying. All right, guys, let's squish this thing. 3, 2, 1. Ah! It just fell apart. I'm heartbroken.
I got one.
Wait, which one? Cool.
Okay, I got this cat. It's just like you can actually feel the texture.
And I got this hot dog. As you can see, there's like
can feel the
mustard, and you can actually like really feel the lines. And it's like you can have like the bun. Let's squish these thingies. Go.
It's cool. You just fidget with it. It's really cool.
Good,
Really,
good.
like we can feel the lines. It's so cool.
Next squishy.
Round 7. I got
Round
this
7.
other cat.
No, it's
You
round
can also
9.
like
Round 8. Round 8. Can you get off me? And I got this unicorn one. Let's squish this.
wow, this is much better than the other ones.
Alrighty.
I
So,
have one more.
comment down below who's the best.
Squish these two.
Oh,
I only got one more then. Pick one.
Okay, guys. So round 10, go. So I'm actually gonna share two because the rest are mine. So she's gonna share one, and I'm gonna.
I got this
So this is a sushi one.
pig.
You can get this from Building Blocks. As you can see, it's a keychain too. Okay.
I got this pig. You can feel like the ears.
And it's like really cool. Okay, let's squish this. I like it
It's cool.
because it smells like sushi, just like a little bit. And like, it's pretty nice. This next one is a cauliflower. It's really nice. You can hang it on your bag, as you can see. Okay, put all of my squishies in here and yours on the side. So this is a cauliflower, and as you can see, it's a keychain too. Hang it on your bag, and it's just they have outlines. Oh, get it before Kona gets it. Kona, no.
Come here.
Oh, gosh bless. She's hard. She's difficult. Okay, let's squish this in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys. Where is my sushi? Today, my best squishies that I love are these two right here. And I think that's all for this video. Goodbye.